Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Shopify for store UX improvements, detailed guide step by step clearly. To register with Shopify, start by visiting the Shopify website. Click on the Start Free Trial button. Enter your email address in the prompted field. Create a strong password to secure your account. Choose a unique store name that reflects your brand. Click on Create Your Store to proceed. Fill out the required information about yourself. Provide details such as your name, address, and phone number. Select your business type from the options provided. Click Next to move to the next step. Shopify will guide you through setting up your store. You will be directed to the dashboard once your registration is complete. Explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with its features. In the left-hand menu, locate the Online Store section. Under Online Store, click on Themes. Select a theme that suits your store's personality and goals. Customize your chosen theme by clicking Customize. Use the visual editor to enhance your store's UX. Add your logo and adjust colors to match your branding. Incorporate high-quality images for products to improve visual appeal. Navigate to the Settings tab on the left menu. Add payment options by selecting the Payment Providers section. Set up shipping options to ensure smooth delivery experiences. Review your checkout settings to enhance usability. Test your store by placing a sample order to check the user experience. Make adjustments based on the insights gained from your test order. Once satisfied, launch your store to the public. Continue monitoring user feedback and analytics for ongoing improvements. Regularly update your store to enhance UX and keep customers engaged. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.